Today I'll walk you through a really useful feature in Telegram, how you can set your group so that only admins can send messages. This is great for announcements, important updates, or keeping conversations streamlined. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to control who can post in your Telegram group, making it easier to manage your community and stay organized. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the Telegram group that you want to update. Just find it in your chat list and give it a tap. If you're managing several groups, double-check that you're in the right one. You don't want to accidentally restrict the wrong chat. Once you're inside the group, look to the top of the screen. You'll see the group's name right there. Go ahead and tap it. This opens up the group's profile page where all the important management settings live. Think of it like stepping into the control room for your group. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner. Depending on your device, you'll either see 3 dots or a small icon that looks like a gear or a person with a wrench. That's the Manage Group button. Tap this to unlock a suite of options that only admins have access to. If you don't see these options, make sure you're logged in with an account that has admin privileges. Regular members can't change these settings. Now that you're in the management area, find the permissions section. This is where you can fine-tune what members can and cannot do in the group. Tap Permissions. Here, where the magic happens, you're about to decide who can speak and who needs to listen. Look for the toggle labeled Send Messages. It's usually right up near the top. By default, this will be switched on, letting everyone in the group post freely. To make it so only admins can send messages, simply turn this toggle off. It may feel a bit like flipping a switch that quiets the crowd, letting only trusted voices come through. Once you do this, regular group members will no longer be able to send messages, and only admins will have that privilege. Don't worry if this change takes a second to apply. Sometimes Telegram needs a moment to update for all users. If you want even tighter control, Telegram lets you restrict other types of member activity as well. For example, you can disable permissions for sending media, links, or stickers. This is especially handy if you want your group to be focused purely on text-based announcements without distractions. Just scroll down and toggle off any other options you'd like to lock down. It's a bit like setting the rules for a classroom. Everyone knows exactly what's allowed and what's not. When you're done, just exit the settings page. The new permissions take effect immediately, so you can test things out by having a member try to send a message or a sticker, just to be sure everything is working as expected. If you ever want to go back and allow members to send messages or media again, simply repeat these steps and toggle the relevant permissions back on. And that's it. Now you've set your Telegram group so only admins can send messages, keeping your announcements clear and your group under control. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit the like button. If you have any questions, run into something unexpected, or want advice on other Telegram settings, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials. See you next time.